You have seen them on Instagram. Infinity pools that spill into the ocean. Driveways are longer than some highways. Closets bigger than your apartment. And you are thinking, one day I will live like that. But here is what they do not show you. The part where your dream mansion quietly bleeds your bank account every month. This is not just a house. It is a full-time commitment, an expensive one. Today, we are pulling back the velvet curtains to reveal the hidden costs of owning a luxury mansion. And trust me, you will want to watch till the end. Because the final cost might change the way you dream. Number 1. Property taxes. The silent wallet killer. Let's start with a silent killer. Property taxes. In the US, property tax is based on the value of your home. So is your mansion worth $5 million? You could be paying $50,000 to $150,000 per year just in taxes. States like New Jersey and Illinois can hit you hard, while Florida and Texas seem chill, until you realize other costs creep in. But wait, what happens when your home's value increases? Yep, your tax bill follows right behind. And trust me, Uncle Sam does not miss number 2, maintenance madness. It is not just dusting. Maintaining a luxury mansion is like owning a small hotel. Think about it. Landscaping acres of lawn, polishing marble floors, cleaning 40 windows. You do not clean a mansion. You staff it. Expect to pay $5,000 to $20,000 per month in upkeep. And that is if nothing breaks. Have you ever been annoyed your faucet drips for a day? Now imagine 17 bathrooms and one rogue toilet with a grudge. Number 3. Utility bills. Say goodbye to budget billing. Electricity, water, and gas. In a mansion are not utilities. They are expenses with attitude. Heating a 10,000 square foot home? Air conditioning 3 stories during a heat wave? Running a heated driveway in winter? Say hello to monthly bills that range from $2,000 to $10,000 plus. Yes, your mansion might be smart, but your energy bill will make you feel very dumb. Number 4. Security. Because everyone wants a peak, with great wealth comes great paranoia. You cannot just rely on a Ring doorbell. You will need a full surveillance system, private security, and even dogs with resumes. Depending on your lifestyle and neighborhood, that can cost $100,000 per year or more. And if you are a public figure, now you are budgeting for digital security too. Because your Wi-Fi is not just streaming Netflix, but also protecting your identity. Number 5. HOA and community fees. The fancy fine print, even millionaires have HOAs. And in luxury communities, these fees can range from $1,000 to $5,000 per month. What do you get? Private golf courses, elite clubhouses, 24/7 concierge services, but also strict rules about how your bushes are shaped. Imagine dropping $8 million on your dream home, only to get a letter that says, your garden gnome violates community standards. Yes, that happens. Number 6. Insurance. You are not in Kansas anymore. The bigger the house, the bigger the risk. Insuring a mansion is not just about fire and theft. It is about earthquakes, hurricanes, lawsuits, and sometimes rare art collections. Depending on location and value, premiums can hit $30,000 to $100,000 per year. And the worst part? You might still need special policies for floods or wildfires, because standard plans do not cover it all. Number 7. Staffing. Your house needs employees. You have made it. You own the mansion. But now you also run a small business. From housekeepers and nannies to private chefs, chauffeurs, and estate managers, your payroll could rival a tech startup. Expect $200,000 to $500,000 plus annually in staffing costs if you want to live comfortably. And remember firing the chef because he put cilantro in your salad? It still comes with severance. Number 8. Depreciation and liquidity. The wealth trap. Here is the one no one talks about. Luxury homes can be hard to sell. The market is limited, demand is niche, and you might sit for years before finding a buyer. Meanwhile, your equity is trapped. You cannot just cash out like it is an index fund. Plus, what if the next buyer does not value the 1 Mellimer wine cellar? You will eat that cost, along with last year's taxes. The final cost. So here is the truth. Owning a luxury mansion is not just about wealth. It is about commitment to a lifestyle that constantly costs. But hey, if you are smart and strategic, do you know what you are getting into? It can be a dream. Just remember, a mansion does not make you rich. Knowing when not to buy one? That is real wealth. If you found this eye-opening, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who dreams of Zillow's dreams. And drop a comment. Would you still want a mansion, even after all this?